Hello. This is Cristiano right here. One more day for another tutorial. In this channel, I talk about ways in which that you can make money online, and I believe it's been almost a week or almost 2 weeks ago, right? Since that I make a tutorial regarding Mix.com. So Mix.com is a website that you're gonna leave your review on certain advertising videos and make $1. No, sorry, €1, 1.5 euro per video, per survey. I mean, after watching a video. So, just a quick one. I wanted to kind of show you how far I've been with it. How far I've been with it. So now I've already have €155, which is in my account. I will cash out when I will reach 200. So I look forward to it. Probably in the coming 4 or 5 days, I'll be able to reach that amount, and then when I'll cash out, I'll make a video on that too. So, long story short, today I have a different website that I would like to introduce to you. A very wonderful website. So let's see. It's over here. Let me see my notes here. So the website is called User Testing. So on this website, User Testing, it's this one right here on the bottom. Right. So what's up in this website is basically the same thing as Mextes.com. So usertesting.com is a little bit different, right? In user testing, if you wanna take a test, right? You come here. So they'll test you first. The test you can earn up to $60 per test. So what's happened is they can give you like a website, right? Let's take an example, like Amazon.com, right? No, hold up. They give you like Amazon.com in the database. They give you Amazon.com, and they would like to listen to your point of view. What is Amazon.com? What are the area that you need Amazon to improve? What are some of the area that you don't like personally? So Amazon pay user testing money for you to go and test the website so that they can see which area that they can improve, right? So You will go through the website and highlight the different parts that you want change, right? If you don't want this card in here, you can suggest. I mean, you can just give your point of view, right? So that's what user testing does. So you come here, you can either let's go back first in dashboard. So you can request a trial if you are a company and you would like to you would like tester to test your product. You come here and request trial, and you put your product in there, and then people go and test it, and they give you their point of view about your product. But if you want to make some buck, right? You want to make some quick cash. You come here, get paid to test over here, right? You click get paid to test, and then you sign up, right? After signing up, they will give you a test. They give you a test to see your performance, how you can do. I mean, how you'll be able to do the job, right? So based on your performance, they can either approve you or deny, right? So you can earn up to $60 per test, and most of the tests take at least 20 minutes to do. It's very, very impressive. So I have this one. I have this. I have in when you get approved, they will have you download an app so that you can start taking the test. Um, Here we go. This is my application. So if I would like to test, I will enter in here and I'll do everything in there. But first of all, you need to register, right? First of all, you need to register and test from there, right? So very, very important. Another one is user lytic userlytic.com. It is basically the same thing with the user testing. This is also a website in which the business owners uh, go there and give their website or the product to be tested to see the performance and to see some potential area of improvement. So if there is some area of improvement due to the fact that there is a testers and who test, if they can gather like of people who test the product, if most of those testers are highlighting a certain area, if for example, as if most of the testers, or let's say 90% of the testers are saying that no, this button is not in a good place, it needs to be replaced, they will potentially take that advice. Okay, so the same thing with userlytic. With userlytics, it's the same thing, right? You can get paid to test. So it says test to login. So first of all, if you don't have an account, you need to sign up from in here. After you sign up, same thing. They're gonna send you a test, and then you're gonna pass through the test. And then if you're satisfied, they contact you so that you can start testing, right? So same thing. You can earn up to 20 buck, 20 buck, 30, 40, up to 50 per test. So it's gonna depend. So, but as a newbie, I believe it is $10 per test. So it is very, very important. You guys should try this out. Okay, so that pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And for those who didn't see my review video about Mix.com, I have another video in the description below that explain everything about this video, right? So if I can just say it again one more time, in this website, it is similar to userlytic and user testing. So big company like let's take an example. What is the big company in one of in these videos? Um, Let's see. So this is fly. This is Disney sky. So there's no a big brand on these videos. So you can see this video are blurry. It's because that I've already watched it, and I already got paid, so I cannot watch it again a second time. But as you can see, this brand Fly, right, or Disney or Sky, right? I don't know. Let's try to type Disney on Google. We're gonna see what's gonna pop up. Disney. Okay. So yeah. So Disney. So this is a website of Disney, right? So this brand right here, pay a lot of money to our this company right here, Mextes.com, right? So this one right here, Disney, right? Disney. Sorry, DLC, right? This is a good word to say it. So DLC. Let's see it one more time. It's a DLC, right? DLC. So I had previously wrong website. DLC. Here we go. DLC. It doesn't seem to me to be a big brand, but DLC. I don't see it. Anyway, probably it's a smaller brand or something like that. Hi, Daddy. How you doing? Other, I don't know. These brands are weird to me. These brands are kind of like, I don't know. I never see this brand before, but in some other video I will be making, you will be seeing Apple, BMW, Coca-Cola. It's a lot of big brands used to give the video to Mix.com so that you and I go and give our review, right, on about what we think about those videos, right? Hey, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. All right, so that's pretty much it, and I'll be making a different video when I'll cash out the $200 in about a week or so. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.